Remember me who used to vlog on this channel but then sort of stopped vlogging? Well, I'm gonna try to change that. I'm gonna be trying to bring the vlogs back, hopefully daily, maybe, probably not, knowing my track record with the vlogging, but I'll do my best to do that. Some things have changed, obviously, since my last vlog. My hair is shorter. It's the first thing. The biggest thing is that I have moved to California to take care of some medical stuff, which is going really well. I'm happy to report. I've been here since the end of August. So however long. My math is not working right now. We just got home from an appointment where it usually takes us about 30 minutes to get there, 30 minutes to get home. It took us like an hour and a half to get home because tomorrow's Thanksgiving, and apparently traffic here, which is already pretty kind of bad, it gets much worse. So we will remember that for next time. So for the rest of the night, I am going to be probably doing some reading. I got this for my birthday. It is The Girl Who Wrote Loneliness by Kyung Suk Shin. Hopefully I'm saying her name right. I'm probably not, though, because I'm not very good with Korean pronunciations. And she is Korean. She's a Korean author. But what I've read of it so far is really good. And I'll probably be watching Spice and Wolf if I'm not doing that. Just right here. Eventually I'm gonna give like a room tour. It's just that I'm still waiting on like my comforter and stuff. So once I get my comforter in and everything, then I'll try to do like a room tour. I'm really tired now, and I'm probably going to crash pretty early tonight. But I wanted to try to get a vlog out. Tomorrow we are going somewhere for Thanksgiving, and I will try to film that, or at least part of it. But my sort of track record with filming vlogs is not always the best. So if I don't get that filmed, then I will try to film something after. But anyways, it's kind of fun to be back. I've missed making videos. And yeah, you'll hopefully be seeing a lot more of me on this channel. Anyways, I hope that you are having a good day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!